Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Uday Pandit and you are watching MEP Technical World. In this video, we'll learn about single phase house wiring. So before I start the session, I would like to request you please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So here we are on single phase house wiring. So I have already taken some essential device which is at outside the room and also inside the room. Okay, so here I have taken only one room for house wiring. Okay, as you can see over here, this is the external distribution pole from where we can take the power supply, three phase as well as single phase power supply. However, we are going to start the wiring of single phase house wiring. That's why we'll take only 220 single phase power supply from this distribution line. Okay, now this is the main switch having double pole KitKat fuse, or we can say rewirable fuse. Okay, we can operate this main switch with the help of this handle manually. Okay, and this is this single phase energy meter. With the help of this we can measure the our electricity consumption. So as per this we can pay the electricity bill. And this is the double pole MCB. Okay, here we have taken RCCB. Okay, so this is for safety purpose. Okay, even we have a small leakage in our body, at that time this RCCB will get tripped. And these are the single pole MCB. So here I have taken 3 MCB single pole. So here we will be using only one for this one room. Okay, actually this MCB RCCB are fitted inside the main distribution board. Okay, now move to inside the room. Here we have taken two LED bulbs, so it is fitted on wall, both side of wall, and this is the fan, so it is installed at middle of the room, and this is the LED tube lights. Okay, it is also fitted on wall. Here we have taken one power socket. Okay, and this is the 220-volt operated indicator. With the help of this we can monitor the power, either it is available at here or not. Okay, and these are the one-way switch. Here we have taken 4 one-way switches to control these lights and fan, and this is the fan regulator. With the help of this we can control the speed of this fan. Now let's start the wiring from here, from the main switch. For that, let's take one phase or live line from this distribution line. Okay, for that I have taken red wire. So let's take it from this phase and connect it to input terminal of this main switch. Okay, now let's give neutral supply to this main switch. So for that I have taken black wire from this distribution line and connected it to input terminal of this main switch. So we have completed wiring from this distribution line to input terminal of this main switch. Okay, now let's connect the red wire from this output terminal of this main switch, and it is connected to input terminal of this energy meter. So it is first point connected to first terminal. Now let's give it neutral supply also at input terminal. So let's take black wire and connect it to second point of this energy meter. Okay, now let's complete the wiring from the output of this energy meter and give it to input of this double pole MCB. Now for that let's take red wire. So I have taken red wire for this second point of this output terminal of this energy meter and give it to here. Okay, L1 terminal of this MCB, or we can say input terminal of this MCB. Now let's take neutral wire from this energy meter output terminal, and it is connected to input terminal of this MCB. Now from the output terminal of this MCB, it is given to input terminal of this RCCB. Okay, so we have given phase wire or live wire. Now let's give neutral wire. So we have connected neutral wire. Now from the output terminal of this RCCB, it is given to the input terminal of this MCB. So let's give it. Here we have connected. So this single pole MCB R got phase supply from this RCCB, as you can see over here. Okay, now from this output terminal of RCCB, let's give neutral to the neutral bus bar of the DB. So this is the small bus bar inside the DB. So up to here we have completed the wiring. Now let's move inside. So here I'm going to give the power supply from this MCB. Okay, so with the help of this MCB we are going to control all the loads of this room. Okay, for that let's give first phase supply to the indicator. So here we have given or connected phase supply with the help of this red wire. Now move to this switch. Let's take out one phase wire, which is red wire, and give it to input terminal of this switch, and from the output terminal of this switch, now it is connected to input terminal of this fan regulator. Okay, finally from the output terminal of this regulator, let's take wire, red wire, and give it to or connect it to fan. So here we have completed phase wiring for this fan load. Okay, now let's move to remaining switches. So for here let's take phase supply from these switches and connect it to remaining input terminal of this one-way switch. So here we have taken red wire and connected it to its input terminal of this one-way switch. Now we are going to control this tube light, LED tube light, with the help of this switch, and this bulb is going to control with this switch. Okay, for that let's take phase supply or phase wire from the output terminal of this switch and give it to this bulb, because we are going to control this bulb with this switch. That's why I have given phase supply from here, output terminal of this switch. Now let's move to LED tube light wiring. So let's give it phase supply. Output terminal of this switch, let's take red wire and give it to this tube light. Okay, now again for this bulb let's give it phase supply. For that I have taken red wire from this output terminal of this switch and give it to this bulb. Okay, now here we are going to complete the wiring of this power supply. For this let's give it phase supply to this switch and output from this switch given it to L terminal of the power circuit. So here we have completed phase wiring of all these load. Now let's start the neutral wiring. So from this bus bar let's take back wire and connected it to the indicator, this indicator. So here we have connected. So this indicator also got neutral wire, and this power also got neutral wire from here. Now let's give it to this bulb, and from here let's give it neutral wire to here, and from this let's connect it to fan. From here, let's give it to this bulb. Here we have completed neutral wiring as well. Now for this power socket, we have to give earthing wire. So from the DB earth bus bar, let's give it earthing connection. So here we have taken green wire and it is connected to this earth point terminal. So here we have completed single phase house wiring for one room. Okay. Similarly, you can do the wiring for others room as well with the help of this remaining MCB. Okay. So hope you guys understand about single phase house wiring. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comments and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So thank you very much. See you again in next video.